We're boiling some water for some coffee because it's cold out. The man wants some coffee.
Ready for now.
Need to get some more water. Coffee pot. I got the water boiling, and I put 4 scoops of coffee in there. Some good Italian roast in the cup here. And I pour the water right on top of the grounds in there. And I'll let that set for a second and mix in and get all tasty. And then I'll take that and I'll pour it through this filter right here, right into my cup. It filters out all the grounds, and I'll have a nice, beautiful cup of coffee, huh? Yeah?
Yeah. Not all of them, Bub. I got one right here.
How's your coffee, huh? Did it turn out all right?
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
It's wicked good.
All right, so that's been set in about a minute. I'm just going to pour it right into this filter.
It's like black gold.
Yeah, it's like mud. This is Cowboy Coffee right here. Yeah, it's good stuff. Reminds me of my Navy days.